Hello and good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. Here is our morning message in case you may have missed it this morning. You can read along with me. Today's date is 3/30/20. Dear class, good morning. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. You will make a map today. What did you do on the weekend? Love your teachers. So what did you do this weekend that was fun? My family and I went on a bear hunt. So we drove around to a whole bunch of different neighborhoods. And one thing that people are doing right now is putting a stuffed bear in the window of their house so that you can see it from the street when you drive by. And it's kind of a way to cheer people up when we can't get out very much and do a lot of fun things. So you can do this safely from your car with your family. So that was super fun. I think we said we found 33 bears on our bear hunt in the front doors of different houses or their windows, and it was really fun. There was even one bear that was perched in a tree out in front of someone's house. We have 7 bears in our window, in our front window, so we saw some of the bears in our own house too. All right, you guys, let's take a peek at the back of this board. I have written some of our trick words on here. So, ooh, that's glare. Let's see if we can fix that. A little bit better. Okay, so right here on the top in blue, you see the 3 new trick words that we've learned recently in Foundations. What is this word right here? This word is her. Like, that is her mug, her. H-E-R, her. This word is over. Long O sound, and then you hear V, over, her, over, and this last word right here is number. Number, like we learn about numbers in math. If I add a suffix S to number, it would make numbers. Her, over, and number. What bossy R combination is in all 3 of these words to make the sound at the end? Can you see what's the same in all 3? E-R says E-R, her, E-R, E-R. Over, number. You hear that at the end of every single one of those words. You also have 2 new trick words today that I wanted to show to you. And look at this. They both have at the end as well. This word is after, and this word is under, after, under. Let's read all 5 of those words together. Her, over, number, after, under. Number, after, her, under, over. So those are our words for the week. All right, boys and girls, today for your work, you will be doing a map. You'll be making a map, which should be fun for you, I think. You will also be working on a fantasy assignment for reading. Fantasy is a type of fiction. You will have foundations and your reading and your Heggerty and your head sprout today. Okay, so busy day, lots of literacy work, and I hope you have fun. At 11 o'clock, we are going to do a live session when we have a chance to share our favorite song. That's this week's Spirit, today's Spirit Day activity is to share our favorite songs. So if you want to join that group at 11, there's a link in your email that your parent can help you find, and you just need to have a short part of your favorite song ready to play. Make sure it's a school-appropriate song. It should be fun. We'll get to hear lots of music, and I hope to see you then. Have a great day.